Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and continuing on maintenance or work on this old shorty, 1989 GQ shorty. The dash, this is very common in GQs, the dash is quite dirty, it's getting a little bit difficult to see through. Anyway, a friend of mine's done this, Sam, and I just spoke to him not long ago, and he took the dash cluster out, removed the screen and cleaned in behind it and cleaned the face of it and made it look new. And so I'm going to attempt that. So I'm going to probably, I don't know, shine the light in, and I'll probably wear the camera on my head and see how I go. I've never done this before, so let's find out. Alright, so since there's a bunch of screws to come out, there's one at the bottom here, wherever that is. Oh. I'm just got to be out of the car to do that. Yep, need to be out of the car. Go get this. I don't like this, that people have like just screwed something in the dash, because I mean, apart from the fact there's holes in it, but you don't know if that's screwed into a few different things or not. So I better pull them out, because they are long. Oh, that's going to go into more than just that, isn't it? The length of this screw. Think that was overkill? How about you guys? Nice and easy, I assume. Oh. There we go. Hopefully that was the last screw. Alright, it should come out. I've got rid of all those screws, I think. It can catch on. Got some plugs, remove some plugs here. Enough to get it out of the way. Now to undo, this whole dash cluster is going to have to come out, so I can't get to any of those clips at the back to slip it forward. I wonder, imagine if I could put a flat screwdriver in there, or a friend of mine said he used something in the back of it. A little piece of plastic, but I'll see how I go. I reckon the whole dash cluster needs to come out regardless, so no matter what, looks like you are coming out. Comes out quite nicely, and I should be able to get to all the plugs on the back. There's a spade on either end. It's easy. Yes. Come on, out you come, please. Very good. dash cluster out. Alright, with the dash cluster out, I'll go see what... These look actually really simple to come off, don't they? Screen. Just got to make sure I'm definitely just removing the screen. Plastic screens. Clip, looks like it clips straight. Whoa, that was easy. Alright, so I was just looking just before, and looks incredibly simple if I start from one end, knowing that, you know, that clip there is holding the actual dash cluster. So I just want to get the screen off. So what I did do, see that? Just pushed it with my fingernail, and there, and there, and there. There it is. Let's hope that all comes off. Yes! It's pretty filthy, I can tell. And inside here, I have a feeling it's all... Whoa. Did all that dirt just come off on my finger? Surely not. That one's relatively clean. Maybe not. Might have to just give... Yeah. Oh well, I'll grab some glass cleaner and give this all a good clean. Alright, with that dash out up the other way, you see the screen's off. I'll definitely give that a bit of a clean. It doesn't look too bad. It is a bit of dust in there though, so hopefully that's enough. And I noticed the globes on the back here are the ones for the dash aren't very bright when they light up. So if I undo one, pull it out, oh, well, that's black. Well, that can't be good. Ha. So I'll these type globes just pull out. They're supposed to. See if I can try to pull that out. There we go. Bit rough. I'll take them to my local parts store and I'll get a bunch more of them. I need 1, 2, 3, only 4. Okay. But that's okay, so at least I know why the lights weren't great. Because that one was black, so that's useless. Oh, so's that one. Haha. So they're all like it. Yep. Each and every one. I'll put that in there. Just try not to let other dust go in there. And I'll take one of these and go get them from the local parts store. Alright, so I looked into LED bulbs. They're a little bit too long, so I've got some of these other ones. I guess I can just plug these in. I don't think they're polarity sensitive, but well, they shouldn't be. These are 5 by 2 watts, so hopefully they're right. I guess I'll find it out, won't I? So go chase down some glass cleaner and give that and that a clean. Alright, I've got some Windex. I'll just spray a bit on a rag. And gently give all this a wipe. Whoa, there's a lot of dirt on it. Well, this gives me some confidence. Well, I want to clean this surface, or worse, it's looking. That's always a good result. So the one I found the hardest to see was actually the Speedo. So I'll make sure I spend a little bit more time making sure that's absolutely clean. Nice. I guess the next bit's to do the screen. This is the face that is facing the driver. Oh no, yes it is. That bit should be pretty easy. A few rub marks in there. Bit of a worry. These are a bit expensive though, so I've got to try make sure I get it working, or as good as I can. I think these were about $300 just for the screen. With it out, I'm seeing how scratched and damaged it is. Might end up being I have to buy a new screen. I don't really want to. Alright, well that's as clean as, probably close to as clean as I'll get it. Wow, and looking at it, it's horrific. Yeah, it's horrendous. I think I'll be buying a new cover screen for it. That's horrible. Oh dear. This is just going to be painful, isn't it? What if putting it back together was actually harder than getting it apart? Oh no, here we're up. Just a bit of a knack. Clicked in there, a few broken bits, but just goes to show, now that I'm looking at it quite clearly, I'm up for a new face. Definitely up for a new face. Oh well, I guess I'll get this in and check that everything looks a bit better and see how I go. Wow, dash is back in, everything's right. It definitely looks easier to see. I mean, if I look over this way, it's a bit hard because focusing failed. Because it's dark on that side. Anyway, so that side seems good, and if I turn the park lights on, it seems a heck of a lot brighter. So that's that fixed. So cool. Will I need a new cover? I don't know. I'll try driving it around. It looks a lot clearer to see. So, you know, I might be happy with that. But if it does get hard to see, then I guess I have to order a new one. And I did check on Patrol Apart. They were about $270 for just a screen, which was like, whoa. I don't think I can justify that at this moment. So next spot now is to just drive it and see how it goes. But apart from that, that is the video over. Well, thank you very much for watching this little maintenance video. You know, it looks better, and I guess, you know, I'm only gonna find out in time whether that's good enough or not, whether I need to order a new face for it. I'll see how I go. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I will aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers.